Welcome back to Rising Voice English. Today is day 20 of your English speaking practice. Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Today, we will practice speaking English confidently in public places. Imagine you are walking into a restaurant. You see the entrance. You see the staff. You see empty tables. Say slowly, "Hello." Repeat, "Hello." Repeat again, "Hello." You feel calm. You are ready to speak English. I would like a table for one. I would like a table for two. Non-smoking, please. Thank you. Can I have a menu, please? Thank you. What are today's specials? I would like the chicken soup, please. Can I have rice with that? I would like water, please. Does this have meat? Is this spicy? I am allergic to nuts. This is my order. Thank you. Can I have the bill, please? Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a nice day. Excuse me, where is the rice? Can you help me? How much is this? Do you have fresh vegetables? Where is the bread? Can I pay by card? Which bus goes to the city center? What time is the next bus? I would like one ticket to the city center. How much is it? Is this the stop for the city center? Excuse me, is this the right bus? Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the train station? How far is it from here? I do not understand. Can you repeat, please? Thank you for your help. Hello, I need a taxi, please. Can you take me to the hotel? How much will it cost? Help, I need a doctor. I am lost. Can you call the police? What is the emergency number? Can you help me, please? Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What is your name? It is sunny today. It is very hot. Do you like the weather? Excuse me, where is the nearest pharmacy? Can you show me on the map? Thank you for your help. Excuse me, do you sell postcards? How much is this keychain? Can I pay with cash? Do you have magnets? Can you show me the t-shirts? I would like to buy this. Thank you very much. Hello, can I have a table for one? Can I see the menu, please? Do you have coffee? I would like a cappuccino, please. Can I have a slice of cake? Thank you. Excuse me, where is the restroom? Can I use the toilet? Thank you very much. What time is my train? Which platform should I go to? I would like a ticket to the city center. One way or return? Is this the train to the city center? Excuse me, is this the right platform? Hello, I would like a bottle of water. Can I have a sandwich? How much is it? Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What are you doing today? Is there a market today? Can I go there by bus? Where is the museum? What time does it open? How much is the entrance fee? Can you take me to the museum? I would like 2 tickets for the museum, please. Excuse me, where is the exit? Where is the playground? Where is the nearest shopping center? Do you have shoes? Can I try them on? Do you have size 40? Can you wrap it, please? I will pay with cash. Take a slow breath in. Slowly breathe out. I can speak English. I am calm. I am confident. I speak slowly and clearly. Practice makes me better. I am improving every day. I am not afraid to speak English. I did my English practice today. I am proud of myself. Tomorrow I will practice more. English is fun and useful. Thank you for practicing with Rising Voice English. Today's Day 20 lesson is complete.